Combined events refer to those situations where we are supposed to calculate the probability of two or more events occurring. Now we shall start to talk about mutually exclusive events as a form of combined events. Mutually exclusive events are those events in which the occurrence of one prohibits or hinders the occurrence of the other event. For example, you cannot pass and fail an exam at the same time. You cannot be seated and standing at the same time, and many other types of events. Now, when we are dealing with two mutually exclusive events, we use the additional law of probability. That is, for mutually exclusive events, the probability of A or B occurring is given by the probability of A occurring plus the probability of B occurring. We have an example. A bag contains 4 black, 5 red, and 6 green marbles. A marble is drawn at random. We have to determine the probability that it is a black or green marble. Now, first thing we need to do is to identify the types of marbles we have there, or in terms of color. You can see the number of black marbles are 4. We have represented that by B. The number of red marbles, which are represented by R, are 5. And the number of green marbles, which you can represent by G, are 6. Meaning the total number of marbles in this experiment are 4 plus 5 plus 6, giving us 15. Now we are to determine the probability that a black or a green marble is selected. Now, what is the probability of picking a black one? The probability of picking a black one, remember we said we represent black with B, is given by the number of blacks, the number of black marbles in that experiment over the total number of marbles, which in this case is 4, because there are 4 black marbles over 15. Similarly, we can determine the probability that a green marble is chosen by saying the probability of choosing a green marble is given by number of green marbles over the total number of marbles. And you can see the number of green marbles here is 6, so the probability will be 6 over 15. Remember, we are choosing one marble, or we are picking one marble. The marble cannot be black and green at the same time. If it is black, then it can't be green. And if it's green, it can't be black. So that means these are mutually exclusive events, and therefore we shall use this formula here. So we shall say the probability of black or green marble being chosen is given by probability of picking a black plus the probability of picking a green marble, and that one of picking a black marble is 4 over 15 as indicated up here, plus that one for green is 6 over 15, and that gives us 10 over 15. If you simplify this, you get 2 over 3, and that is the probability of picking a black or green marble. Thank you.